Good day. I'm Jorge Flores, co-founder and CTO of Entidad, and I'm excited for the opportunity to showcase our Unmio solution today. Unmio is a CRM system purpose-built for mission-driven organizations. But unlike traditional CRM systems, Unmio is built on top of privacy-respecting technologies such as decentralized identifiers, digital credentials, and the cryptographic protocols that enable their exchange. The backdrop for today's demo is an in-person event organized by a community-driven organization. Specifically, the use case revolves around a Reliant Party web app registering a community member to receive a benefit. To begin the scenario, observe the CA DMV wallet installed on my personal smartphone device. To this wallet, I've been issued a mobile driver's license credential, which I can use to register as an attendee of the event. On the right-hand side of Unmio, I'll select the Register a Mobile Driver's License Holder option. I'm presented with a QR code which serves as an authorization request for a mobile driver's license presentation. I'll scan the QR code with the DMV wallet app, and I can see a consent screen in which I'm informed that the Reliant Party app, Unmio, is requesting all the information on my mobile driver's license. I can expand some of these categories to see what type of information can be shared. I'll go ahead and accept the sharing. My mobile driver's license presentation has completed successfully. We can see the attendees list and can verify that some of the basic profile information has been captured, including the portrait. The process for presenting a mobile driver's license has been very straightforward and seamless. But there's a caveat. We won't really have an opportunity to capture a preferred method of communication with the holder. We could attempt to capture a phone number or an email address, but there are reliability and privacy issues with those communication channels, for which the Unmio discourages their use. In this alternative scenario, we inject an out-of-band invitation into the QR code in order to bootstrap a DID exchange flow. A DID exchange flow will allow us to negotiate a secure peer-to-peer communication channel between the Unmio mobile app and the Unmio web app. For this scenario, we'll open the Unmio mobile application from the same smartphone device on which we have the California DMV wallet installed. We'll scan the QR code. We're challenged to open the California DMV wallet app. We unlock the app, and we're presented with the same consent screen as we did earlier. We'll go ahead and accept. We can see that the online presentation of the mobile driver's license succeeded just like it did previously. Only now, if we go back to the Unmio mobile app, we now see that there's a connection request from the Reliant Party with a brief description and giving us the choice to accept or decline the connection. I'll go ahead and accept the connection. Now that we have the connection, we can go to our surveys module, select a survey, and publish a survey to a list of contacts. We see that we received a push notification with a survey request. I can open the survey request and see that there's a series of questions that the service provider would like me to answer. For our third and final use case, we demonstrate a Reliant Party native app completing a remote identity verification at the edge. A successful mobile driver's license verification between the Unmio mobile app and the California DMV wallet results in the issuance of a community credential that enables access to online services nationwide. For this scenario, we'll resume the Create Your Unmio ID activity from the Unmio mobile dashboard. We're asked if we'd like to share some information about ourselves in order to gain access to online services. I'll note that this process is entirely optional. The process consists of 4 discrete steps, all of which are optional. The first is to capture a formal proof of identification. We're presented with two options. The first option is to scan a physical ID document, such as a passport, a driver's license, a matricula or consular visa, or any other form of state-issued ID. But this is the California DMV Mobile Driver's License Hackathon, so we'll go with that option. On Android devices, when there are multiple apps that are registered to support the same protocol, such as OpenID for verifiable presentations, we're asked to select the app we want to proceed with the interaction. I know that the driver's license lives in the California DMV wallet, so I'll go ahead and select that one. I'm asked to unlock the wallet. On this Moto G device, the unlock uses a biometric fingerprint sensor on the back of the device. We see that we're presented with the same consent screen as we've seen earlier. I'll go ahead and accept to share my mobile driver's license. Now that my identity has been verified, I can return to the Unmio Mobile, where we can proceed to the next step. We're asked to review the information captured from a mobile driver's license presentation. If everything looks correct, we'll hit the next step. The next step is to perform a 3D liveness check. This ensures that the holder of the device is in fact a real person. As a secondary step, on a successful liveness scan, the face from the liveness will be compared against the 2D portrait on the mobile driver's license. So I'll initiate the 3D liveness detection by selecting the I'm ready button. I'm asked to hold steady, move closer, hold steady, and the liveness detection is processing the results. As expected, the liveness check succeeded, but the match to the 2D face on the portrait from the mobile driver's license did not match. And therefore, I'm asked to try again or attempt an additional document. For the purposes of the demo, I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next step. We see that Unmio Mobile presents me with a credential offer for my Unmio digital ID. I presented some claims, including personal information captured from the mobile driver's license. We can see that a face scan was succeeded, but a 3D to 2D match did not. The profile image was also replaced by an image captured from the liveness check. I'll go ahead and accept the credential. Now that we have our Unmio Digital ID community credential issued to our Unmio Mobile wallet, we'll go ahead and register the attendee by selecting the Register Unmio Mobile Holder option. Similar to before, we're presented with a QR code which I'll scan. In this case, we see that we're presented with an information request for some claims about ourselves found in our Unmio ID credential. We'll go ahead and share this information. And like we've seen previously, the credential subject has been successfully registered for the event. This concludes our demonstration. I would like to continue with some acknowledgments. Our mobile driver's license online presentation demo was made possible thanks to the OpenCred Verifiable Credentials platform. We would also like to acknowledge the following public works for guiding our efforts: the Safe Wallet Guide, the Digital Inclusion Report, and the Overcoming Human Harm Challenges in Digital Identity Ecosystems report. For more information on Entidad, our Unmio solution, or the FarmWorker Wallet OS community project, which we help maintain, you can visit the following websites. Thank you.